are you wondering what is this loose wire on your E99 and E88 camera as well as the Pro models? So this actually isn't like fault and some loose weird cable, but it's actually antenna for the drone. So actually, if you actually take out the battery from these drones, you can actually see that it's basically, you can probably see in the video, but it's basically it's looping inside the drone itself, and it's simply, as you can see, it's actually outside here. So, and it do not actually remove this or try to pull it, or don't like try to damage it or try to pull it thinking it's some kind of a cheap Chinese in quality, and they simply haven't cut it off. So this is actually needed for your remote control to work the best, so at long distance. So it simply helps to stay in contact with your remote, and so you can actually control it. Also, it helps to connect your smartphone as well. So again, do not remove this and make sure it stays like this. At first I thought, what the hell is this and why it's there? It must be some kind of fluke and it needs to be removed. But yeah, do not do that. Anyway,